some cupcakes and ice cream. And chocolate chips.
I feel like
You
there used to be
see
a
what
lot
else
more
I
little bars in there.
Let me see. Can I have one?
Yes, you can have one.
May I try one? I'm going to try chocolate.
Wow, look at all that stuff in your house.
That's delicious. Oh, I got the ball. Okay, look. Woo!
No, that's berry picking.
You say thank you?
I can get a basket and berry picking.
Here, I'll give you this one back,
And
too.
we can do berry picking.
See, she knows how to bounce. Daphne didn't know how to get on the thing. See, she'll try.
Here, if you put it this way, look, I'll help you. Put it this way. Now try one. No.
I can get a basket.
See, she's like, I don't know what to do with this.
Go like this. Stand right here. Don't move. Now. Boop. Now, hop. You're a little too... You're shorter than Kiki. Are you shorter?
Yes.
No, you're tall. You're a string bean.
You are pretty tall.
You're a little string bean.
I think she likes the ball pit.
That's our second one of those.
Did you pop the first one? Yeah.
Basketball berry.
My friend's big kids were in it. And then it
That-
was no more.
Yeah.
So
Bye-bye,
we
ball.
saved it because Joe's going to cut this whole part off of it, and it's going to be a big inner tube for in the pool.
Oh, cool.
Because it's just this part that, like, pops.
Oh, somebody's in the castle.
Yeah, there's a lot of play food in there, too.
Say hello,
Hello.
Princess Daphne. Oh, there you are.
There's 2 doors in this castle, Mom.
This is cool.
I picked some raspberries.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.